Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. If you're feeling worried about the future, depressed about the past, anxious about your situation, angry at circumstance, feeling insecure about your body, about a relationship, feeling lonely, feeling scarcity, feeling like it's impossible to meet your basic needs, or perhaps even some joyfulness to be alive. Whatsoever you feel, reminding you that it's okay and that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths, see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture, or you can lie down, whichever is most comfortable for you. You can gently close the eyes. Tuning deeper into your inner space, becoming aware of this present moment. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, release. You're safe to close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space, witnessing and welcoming all anxiety, worries, anger, self-hatred, welcoming and embracing whatsoever is going on inside of you. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And breathing in love for yourself. And exhale, letting go of shame, guilt. Simply releasing, letting go. No need to hang on to the past. The past is past. Breathing in presence. And exhaling with awareness. Dropping your shoulders away from the ears. Relaxing your fears as you come back into love and trust in the unfolding of life. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel in this moment, witnessing and welcoming all that you observe, very gently, very lovingly, breathing in, hold, and exhale. Releasing any tension in the jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing your belly, opening your heart, feeling the chest with a small opening, almost as if you're breathing from the chest, breathing from the heart itself, feeling a warm, open energy in the heart space, melting away any anger, sadness, depression, loneliness, despair. So come back to trust. Breathing in. Hold. And exhale. Smile, knowing that you're beyond all this pain, coming into your awareness which goes beyond the pain, breathing in and exhale. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And very softly exhale, let go. Taking a deep breath. Hold. And exhale. Every cell in your body breathing in. And every cell in your body breathing out. Letting go of thoughts, natural for the mind to drift. Drifting back into awareness as you become aware of your posture. Listening with your whole body. Breathing in faith in yourself. And exhaling faith in other people, faith in this life. Faith in your circumstance, that all is unfolding as it should for your greatest benefit. Even when it's difficult to understand how or why. Breathing in trust. And exhale, letting go of fear. Feeling fear, insecurities, negativity, leave the mind, leave the body. Taking a deep breath in. Color for today. Are you ready for it? The color for today is teal, a crystal teal. One of my new favorite colors. The animal for today is a rhinoceros. And the number is 558. Coming back into your body, back into your space, aware of what you're going to do next, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Taking one last deep breath for now. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Wishing you an abundance of love. I wanted to say that I became aware today that we've crossed over 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to thank all the beautiful souls tuning into these videos. I actually would be making these videos no matter what, because I really just enjoy it. It's an unconditional joy to play music, to meditate. Is like my greatest love. Just to make these videos is really helping me, helping my own mind, my own emotions and spirit. So to know that there's people out there who are also receiving the medicine of these meditations is very surreal, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you from my heart for tuning in. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.